Okay, so this is the Caribbean Beach Resort in a standard view room. And you have 2 queen size beds and a little table and 2 chairs. Pretty little lamp. Nice big television. Ready for you when you walk in. The music and everything. Little coffee station, beverage station. A nice mini fridge. Storage. And the pretty lights up here as well. And bathroom. These nice doors that kind of slide closed. And it's pretty shower curtain. You have your standard bathroom. It's a great resort for the moderate price.